that I give you. But Mr. Hegde, does this cut any ice with you when the BJP spokesperson says कि हमें तो पता ही नहीं? We are also waiting for that data from the SBI to disclose who are beneficiaries of. The fact is that there are 10 political parties in this country who have already put out data on who gave them money.
Well, I don't have anything to say on the politics of it, but the SBI would not on its own have taken a decision to play cute with the Supreme Court and not make a full and candid disclosure. The SBI obviously reports to the Finance Ministry, and if the SBI has been at the receiving end of the Supreme Court's ire, I think that it would not have done it without legal advice. I think the Chief Justice very pointedly put it to the SBI lawyer that it is not as if the SBI did not have good legal advice. Be that as it may, some of the parties, especially look, the DMK put it out right up front that they had received 509 crores from Mr. Martin. So that means we know that there is about 1,300 crores which other parties got. It is also a matter of public record that the BJP appointed governor of Tamil Nadu refused to bring into effect a bill, an act of the Tamil Nadu legislature, which would have consequences as far as Mr. Martin's business is concerned. It would now be good political strategy for all parties concerned to put out the list of people who gave them electoral bonds. I think the BJP did. I think the DMK did a smart thing by getting ahead of the discourse and putting it out themselves. So now at least they can claim that they are reasonably transparent in their accounting and in their information to the public. There is a huge question about whether these electoral bonds were given for specific considerations. The considerations being either a contract or a removal of displeasure and attention from the agencies. Irrespective of whether the parties disclose it or not, I'm sure that once the numbers come out, there will be enough data scientists and journalists who can put two and two together.
Okay. My last question is to Mr. Chanda, who is joining us on the broadcast. He's someone who is speaking on behalf of the TMC this evening. Actually, what is very curious is the stand that the TMC has taken, Mr. Chanda, to say that we don't even know who gave us electoral bonds. How is that possible? You're telling us you got it in a sealed envelope and you don't actually know who gave it to you. Who will believe that, Mr. Chanda?
A truth is the truth, no matter how you twist it. The point is what we are neglecting, that just look at the figures first. You're talking about quid pro quo, ma'am. Just look at the figures first. BJP BJP's collection is way more than all of the parties combined. So isn't it a legal example of quid pro quo, ma'am? Excuse me?
No, not yet. No, not yet. We'll know when we have that alphanumeric code for sure. But Mr. Chanda, but for you to say, for the TMC to say, हमें पता ही नहीं किसने हमको पैसा दिया, that is mind-boggling. You are insulting the intelligence of our viewers and our country and our voters.
Not at all. If the Supreme Court has asked the SBI to reveal everything, but they are being hesitant and they are not revealing anything at all. So they are violating the Supreme Court laws, the Supreme Court orders, right? So if they choose to reveal everything that they have, we have nothing to hide as well. Isn't it so?
So you're saying let the BJP start, then we will follow. Then the Congress will follow and then the TMC will follow. We leave it there. I'm done. Thank you very much. I'm running.
I would absolutely agree.
Okay, I'm out of time, but thank you very much. Thank you. We are done. Thank you. Mr. Kadial, thank you. Pradeep Mahar, thank you. And thank you very much, Sanjay Hegde, for joining us.